gotta come off.
Give me one of those two things.
What are you doing there? Oh. Call you back. Yeah, I don't have the right tools here.
What do you need?
I need a half inch. And that's it. So yeah, so take all these bolts out, right? And then, yeah, I don't know what,
Yeah.
it's just coming up, well, right here, right? It just fills up here.
Yeah.
And then comes out there.
Yeah.
Carburetor overflow. Leak carburetor.
Alright, my part's done.
That's bigger than. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that don't come out. This just comes out there. This comes out. Yeah, I gotta get one bolt out back there, and then I gotta get this off. This is not. It's a 9/16, I believe. I'm gonna have to pinch that off again, though, probably.
No, we didn't.
Although I did the last time, man. Other way. Or, wait a minute, hang on. I think I just messed it up. I think this part comes out, which isn't.
Oh.
Yeah, so. Sorry. I forgot that this comes out. I gotta take the whole thing off.
Yeah. Well, leaking a little bit. Okay.
That's my new cologne, dude. Gasoline. Wait, wrong way.
O2 octane.
What?
O2 octane.
Is that gasoline?
You know, like in the studio, Eau de Cologne or
Oh, yeah. Fear this skunk.
Fleur de skunk.
That's one thing I like about this, though. At least it's easy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right.
It's easy.
Woo. She's running a little rich. A little.
Oh, it's dead. I need something to keep it up. Yeah?
Huh?
I need something.
Oh, you need like
Water.
so I can't make any spinach leaks today.
So, what's happening is I got a leaky carburetor. I just got done doing the heads, rebuilding them, new lifters and everything, and then I fired the car up and it ran great. Perfect. It sounded better than it did before. Next thing you know, the carburetor starts pissing out the top. So I took it apart, and you know, and some of the channels and shit were all covered with just crap. And so then I hooked it back up, and it kept leaking, and so, you know, I kept wrapping it, hoping it was stuck float, and you know, I pinched the gas, ran it out, which I showed earlier, and ran it out of gas and the carbs, and I let it all kind of come back in, all the fuel, and it started leaking again. And so now I'm going to take it inside. I'm filming, I'm taking it inside, I'm going to rip it apart and see what it looks like on the inside, if there's any crap stuck in there or anything, or stuck float. And if I can't find anything there, then I'm going to have to rebuild it again. But this is what it looked like on the underside of the carb though. Oh, that junk. Yep. Not what you want to see at Pit Stop Hats. Catch you in the next one. Now I start taking it apart. I'll let you know what happens. Cut. You learn anything in there? Anything you already didn't know, or them, whatever. That makes kind of sense. Plow guy's here. Sounds like.
I told you he'd be here tonight.
What? Told what? I don't know, she yelled down here and then left. Said he'd be back tonight. Who'd be back tonight? Anybody?
The plow guy's here.
Okay.
I told him. He said, no, he's not coming.
Well, he didn't come hardly any time yesterday. Plow guy's here. Yeah. She wants you to know that she was right. Yeah, that's what that was for. Sorry, everybody out there. This is just my family. And this is just a freaking screw that won't come out. Because most of them, I don't know if you could tell, are just these. So, not very big. Damn it. There. Smells like gas down here. He can't hear me. That's alright. Okay, last one. There. This should come off. clip here. Fucker. Come on, bitch. There's a pair of fucking players out here. You got any players down here, do you? Yeah. Like a Leatherman or anything? There's a little clip on here. I need to get off. I am not in my garage, so my tools are outside. Shit. Well, you gotta do it right. I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay. Oh shit. A little tiny ass clip. Yep. Okay. Big ass things here. You can get them in there. Break or something. Got you. Stupid fucking little clip.
Remember everything like
This has to come off, but it won't bend, so which means that has to come off, so that this can come off.
what's yours?
Huh?
Ladder pin in there?
No, it's one of these stupid little. These things here, they're like a V. I don't know. Really a pain in the ass. There's those. I can't find the other ones. That goes there. I got the other ones off like that, but I mean, I had to kind of bend it back with this, you know, separate where it goes.
Sometimes if you can get a good bite out of what you can't probably.
Nah, this is either too fine or too big.
We got like 5 pairs of freaking
Needle nose? I can only find 2. I don't know what happened. Where they all went. They gotta be out on different projects somewhere. Sitting on a workbench probably. I didn't look on the workbench. I forgot. Yep, yeah, then that's gotta come out. Now I think that might be it.
Okay, now you gotta try to.
Now it's gotta just come off.
Without screwing up the gasket unless you get another gasket.
I don't know what's
Right here.
Huh?
Hang on. I thought there was a lip there. There's not though.
Yeah.
Usually you can find a spot like that.
Yeah, this corner here looks, that looked like you had it there. Oop, I saw it break. Okay.
Now try to lift it straight up if you can. There you go. Still got a lot of gas in there.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
See, these are where your needles are. See, this thing here.
Yeah.
So
Flip it over?
No. That one's working good. That's good.
Ooh.
What happened? Where'd that come from? Oh, here.
That's right there.
Right there, yeah. I guess we should be tipping it the other direction.
Down.
That's gonna go back. And this is your needle. So lose this, see?
Yeah.
That's held in with that little tiny wire, see it?
Yep. That's quite a bit of gas in there. Nothing's in there.
Oh, looks good. Looks clean.
Yeah. Time for a rebuild then, huh?
I guess so. I mean, you rebuilt this before. What did it involve? You just replaced this thing?
Everything. We did everything but the floats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you should just build it.
I think it's time. Because I was told, you know, if I look in here and I don't see nothing, then it's what it's time for, and I don't see nothing. Looks very clean, actually. I think it's time. Gonna have to go out of, you know, how to park them.
How big is your head?
I don't want to squish them.
Why just lay it in there, in the box? Like that. Just whatever you do, you don't want to lose these guys. Although they might, I don't know if you change them or not when it's rebuilt probably.
I think so.
Yeah.
I got the freaking.
Yeah. Just put that in your little cup.
So what do you think? What does it look like to you? I mean, is it what you thought it was going to look like?
No, it's cleaner than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than I thought.
I think what our problem probably is that it sat for quite a while with this shitty gas that we have now in there.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it was in there a while. Like 3 months?
Right.
More than that?
I mean, normally I would say start your car every every week or so.
Right.
And
But we couldn't.
So you get a little varnish like stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, and this here was the big thing. I was worrying about the needle seeping into the, could be dead.
Yeah, I'd read.
Well, that's about what I was wondering.
Yep.
If it was going to be time for the rebuild, and it looks like it's time for a rebuild.
Yeah.
which is probably gonna take place at his house.
Yeah, I think it'd be better. You probably
So,
got more light and everything.
Probably should put this in here then.
Are we filming?
What?
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. This is the stand that Casey gave me.
That's awesome.
I like it a lot.
Alright, well, that's that deal.
That is that deal.
I mean, besides the fact that we've gotten to the point where we've done everything, you know.
Yeah.
Like I said, the whole top of the end has been redone. So let's, might as well. Hot.
Yeah, that's mine.
What are you doing with that?
Keep
your hands up.
Debating if I'm gonna need it or not. You know, I don't know if the carpal tunnel's gonna flare up or not. With all this stuff that I'm doing. So. Okay, hang on here. Something.
What do you want me to do? Anything?
Can you grab those and then a little cup? I'm just gonna try to set this in here.
You can take the tray with you too. I mean.
Yeah, I actually, if that's cool, yeah, I'll take
that.
that.
Not good for anything else. It doesn't fit in the oven, so you can't use it for pizza or anything. So.
Yeah, I'll probably take it with me and then.
But these look. I mean, there's no holes in them. I had that problem with one carburetor I took apart. There was a little tiny hole, and they were just filling up full of gas, and then they wouldn't flow.
They look good. I don't want to put it there. I don't want to do a squish. They're so delicate.
Yeah.
Put everything in here. Well, I'll let them know. Oh, crap. Okay, there we go. I'll let them know that it's time to take it over. And
yeah. He's tinkering in the garage again.
Yeah, he told me to bring it over and the heat and stuff, and the light will just do it.
Yeah.
There, so I got it in the box now. Well, it's the time of the year that I'm hoping it does this. We can, can't take it out, so might as well take it apart.
Might as well do everything we can so that when spring hits, you can just fire it out and go.
Yep. Definitely needs it.
Yep.
Alright, well. Now I need a rag. Yep. And this video with the carb needing a rebuild. It's all clean. So definitely time to go over take a good rebuild. So till next time, it's a satanic mechanic. Bye.